Good afternoon. We picked this half peck of plums yesterday at Bradagam Orchards. I don't remember the price. I want to say it was like $1.79 a pound. Don't quote me on it. It was very reasonable. And these plums taste amazing. I'm gonna put a bunch aside for us to snack on this week, and then the rest I am going to can in just a light syrup. There's two ways to can them. You can can them whole, and with the seed inside, and then you just like put a couple holes in it so it won't burst in the hot liquid. But I don't want to do that. The other way is cut them in half and remove the seed. So you basically are canning them in halves, and that's what I am going to do. So first things first is I'm gonna wash them and then pick off the stems, and then I will cut them in half and de-seed them essentially. And I'll get my water bath canner started. And I'm just doing a light syrup. This light syrup recipe that's pretty much in every single ball canning book. And yeah, let me get started washing these. The plums have been washed. I'm now going to pit them, cut them in half and pit them. This is cold water with 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice in it. Just basically it's homemade fruit fresh. So I will put the cut pieces in there until I'm ready to can so they won't discolor. I don't think plums really discolor, but it doesn't hurt to have them sit in the water with the lemon juice until it's ready to can. Here are the plums halved and pitted. This was not easy, not easy at all. And some of them were a little softer and fell apart when I tried to have them. That's these over here soaking in this lemon water. So I'm actually gonna end up making some plum preserves. I was just gonna can all of them in a syrup, but these just don't look nice enough for me to want to can them. So there's a couple recipes in the ball book, and I think I'm either gonna do jelly or preserves. I haven't decided yet, but for now, I'm canning these in a medium syrup. So it's 5 cups water and 3 1/4 cups sugar. That's a medium syrup. So I'm gonna get that warmed up and then pull the jars out and put the plums in the jars, fill it with the syrup, and then water bath can it. I was able to fill 5 jars. I'm just waiting for the syrup mixture to come to a boil, and then I will ladle it in the jars, and the jars need to water bath can for 20 minutes. All right, I just pulled the plums out of the water bath canner, and I'm just gonna cover them up and let them sit here overnight, and I am gonna start. I did decide to the rest of the plums, I'm gonna make a plum preserve. I have 3 cups of plums left, so it's 3 cups of plums, 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, boil it down until it reaches the plum preserve consistency you like, and then water bath can it. All right, here is the 3 cups of plums, 2 cups of sugar, a little water. Stir it up until all the sugar dissolves and cook it like on a medium heat until it breaks down to a preserve consistency. And while that's breaking down, I'm going to get some jelly jars in my water bath canner so they can warm up and get sterilized. Here is the plum preserves. I can't believe how much it broke down. It's just amazing. So this was 25 minutes at a high boil. There's no pectin, it's just the plums and sugar. I'm not gonna add pectin, I don't really want jelly. I could boil it down more, but kind of like this consistency. It will probably thicken up once it's water bath some more, but I'm very happy with it. I taste tested it. It tastes really good. It smelled really good. Never done anything with plums before, so I didn't know what it was going to be like, and I am definitely pleasantly surprised. I got my warm jars. I'm thinking it's going to fill 3, so let's see. These are 1/2 pint jelly jars. It actually only filled 2, and then this, I don't know what size this is. I'm just going to refrigerate it. I'm not going to water bath can it because it's just not even full. So 2 of these, I gotta look in the book real quick to see how long to water bath can it. Okay, they need to be processed for 15 minutes. Doesn't matter if you got 1 jar in there, 2 jars in there, 10 jars, same time, 15 minutes. I usually like to have a fuller canner, but oh well, 2 jars is all I have at the moment. Good morning, it is the next afternoon, and this is the plums in a syrup. I think it looks so pretty, and they all sealed. And then remember, I had some leftover plums, so 2 jars of plum preserves. That looks beautiful too. Let's see what it, oh wow, it thickened up really nicely. I didn't know if it would because there was no pectin used, but I guess there's natural pectin in plums, because look how that barely moves. Very nice. Because remember, when I canned it, it was watery, but I just didn't want to boil it down anymore because I'd already lost a bunch of like water and liquid and stuff. And wow, that gelled with no pectin. Amazing. So that is plums. I will say, out of everything I've canned, these plums were pretty hard. Cutting them in half and de-pitting them, not easy. This is why I had to make the preserves, because some of them, they just did not come apart very well. But the leftover preserves, I had a little like half-pint jar or whatever. I tried them and my husband tried them, and they were delicious. So I think next time I might just go straight for the plum preserves instead of canning it in syrup. But they do look beautiful. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.